Welcome everyone. So today we're going to solve a very nice sequence question or series question where 90% of the people could not figure out. See, understand, normally what happens is they have given you the series and the last number is something which you need to find. That is very easy to do because by the end of the series you can find out the pattern. But when there is something like, you have to start, you have to find out something in the between of the series, things become a bit of a task. Okay, so now here what you will do. First, let's try and see. See here the difference. See again, the entire series is going in increasing order or ascending order. So obviously there is something related to either multiplication or addition. Now understand that here, since the difference is not too big, so we'll first go with addition. So 33 is what, just you add 3 to 33 you get 36, and when you add 9 to 12 you get 21. So this, now what will happen in this case is that either you will have to add things, obviously you will have to add, but what? Now see, 3 and 9, both of them are in 3 stable, but the problem is we need two values over here. Something has to get added over here and over here as well. So in 3 stable you have what, 3, then it's just followed by 6, and then it's followed by 9. So I just have one value when you look at 3 stable. Now another thing which we can think of is, see, 9 and 3, both of them are odd numbers. So let's try odd numbers. So what is the odd number which is coming before 9? That is what, 7. And the odd number which comes before 7 is 5. So maybe this might be the scenario. So when you add 7 to 21 you get 28, and when I add 5 to 28 I get the answer as 33. So here I can say the answer for this question mark is 28. I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next